as horrendous as the wind sounds, and I can't really see with the camera, but you can look at that around the trees, and they look pretty fucking scary the way they're waving around so much. The wind is horrendous. At the moment it's calmed down a bit, but earlier I was rocking awake. And do I really want to put a torch on? No, I don't. Yeah, I can't see shit anyway. But with the tarp on top and the tarp underneath, and my little oven ready, which is trying to eat me, I'm actually quite warm. Because the only wind I can feel is my face. Now and again, this little gap here. Ooh, now that side. Because the wind is circling, it's not just in one direction. So it's coming from all sides. It is a circular thing. There's a weird noise half an hour ago. I don't know what the hell it was. It could have been aliens having a party or something. Okay, you want to probe my ass, you better use a lot of fucking lube because I got hemorrhoids. Ugh. But yeah, the wind's calmed down quite a bit, but it was really horrendous. At the end of the day, I don't really give a crap, because even if the tarp on top gets blown off and the tarp underneath gets blown off, it's not that much of an issue. I'm going to snuggle down and... I mean, I'm 110-ish kilos, and yet I'm being rocked because the wind is so bad. Bad is not a really good word, because I actually quite like it. Oh, there's lots of weird lights down there in the woods. Shouldn't be able to see any lights. Oh.